Hi guys, I'm Rich. Let's go through my top 5 things to watch for the week ahead in markets. Number 1. ECB Rate Decision. With the euro showing some glimmer of hope in October, the week's ECB policy decision will be of utmost importance. The deposit rate currently stands at 0.75%, and the consensus among economists is for it to double to 1.5% after a second 75 basis point hike. Should the consensus occur, backed by the resolute talk from ECB President Christine Lagarde that the central bank is prioritising inflation, it should be supportive of the euro. Any sign of backtracking, like the smaller-sided hike by the RBA, and the euro could come under renewed bearish pressure. Number 2. Apple earnings. Apple shares have erased nearly all of the gains made since bottoming in June, but critically remain above that June low. This was a sign of relative strength versus the S&P 500, which did make a new 2022 lows on October 13th. This relatively strong performance comes despite rumours of instructions from Apple to slow the production of the new iPhone 14 in response to lower demand, which would make sense in the face of the rise of cost of living. If the rumours are true, Apple's outperformance could end. Number 3. BO Rate Decision. Sooner or later, it seems the Bank of Japan will blink from its dovish policy stance that has seen the yen nosedive versus the US dollar and most other major currencies. The direct FX market intervention has not stopped the decline in the yen, but a more hawkish BOJ policy could. The consensus is that the BOJ will hold firm for now, but with US dollar Japanese yen near 150, a policy pivot could be near. Number 4. Bank of Canada meeting. US dollar Canadian dollar has been range-bound in October so far, consolidating the huge gains in September after touching the 1.40 level. Talk of a U-turn at the Fed is fueling similar expectations for Canada. Expectations are that the overnight rate will be hiked by 50 basis points this week, a smaller amount than the 75 basis points last month and the 100 basis points move in July. Number 5. More top earnings. Aside from Apple, there are many other top names reporting Q3 results this week. That includes Microsoft, Alphabet, and Visa on Tuesday, October 25th, Facebook on the 26th, Amazon and Shell on the 27th, and ExxonMobil on the 28th. You can of course click on the link in the description below to see the full economic calendar with the previous month's data and the consensus expectation for this time. But for now, thanks everyone, good luck trading this week, and remember to give a quick smash of that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss more content like this when it's released.